Hey guys, it's XChuck Gaming here. I'm playing with a game with Messi.
Hello.
Say hi, Messi. As you said, hi. Yep. So, yeah. Go ahead, do your intro.
Yeah, I just mucked up my camera, so that's all good. I'll do my intro at the end. I prefer doing it at the end so then I can see how it is and edit it. Then I do it and then do it again. And do it again. So today we're doing the challenge of the bus pistol knifing. No starting pistol, just the bus pistol. We're allowed to use the workbenches here. And we're allowed to get perks as well.
Yep, what he said.
And also we are allowed to pack a punch the bus pistol.
Courtesy of your resident genius.
Pick it.
Can't pick it up. Here we go. It wouldn't let me pick it up. Alright, let's both get 1,000. Or not.
I'm shooting!
Yeah, but we need to get 1,000 to get the bus pistol. So we're allowed to get exactly 1,000. Or not, get more than 1,000.
Not my fault.
Look, see, exactly 1,000.
Oh, I need to turn up my game volume.
Here we go. Please don't tell me you put this on easy.
I didn't, I put it on original because I knew you'd be mad. So keep this guy alive.
Oh, well, he's dead.
Keep the last person alive. So keep these two. And then we can just go to power and turn it on. That'd be easier. Yes?
Yeah.
No. It could be a lot easier. If we do it all in round one, it'd be really, really easy. Are you actually going to get the part?
If I can find it.
Back over here. Ah,
Alright, okay, you made it.
clutch. So we'll keep these guys alive wherever they went.
They respawned because we were in the alleyway. There's one, there's two. Right there.
No zombies on the bus.
So we're going to keep them alive and then we're going to go all the way to the power. You're going to stay at power while I go to town.
We're not allowed to get the box or anything.
No, I can't hit the box. I'll use my turbine, Okay.
Oh,
I am conserving
Hey,
food in more ways than one.
train part? No. It's a bus part.
It is a train part. To be fair.
Gotta leave the building to the folks from now on.
I like when you jump on it and while you're putting it on, it bounces you over really hard. We're going to wait here ages.
No. Why?
Well, I'm just going to fast forward this bit. Might as well wait. Yeah, wait here until the bus leaves, which is it doing.
Oh, I was gonna close it. I was gonna close it on you.
That's not. To keep him reloading. Where's the other guy? Did we kill him?
Yeah, kill that one.
Uh-huh.
Hey,
Yeah,
you
we
have your
can
bus
do
Hey, bus pistol, not that pistol.
He's last guy now.
Shoot him. No,
You
I'm
need to
kidding.
train with him. At like the electricity. I can get to pack a punch. Just draw a little bit of cash I swear God, I saw a drop, like double point saying like he died. Oh my God.
Wait, what? Oh.
I swear he died, and like I saw like a double point.
Do you want to make another gun or no? Just the pistol and this.
Let's make it both of these pistols.
You
They're
know.
gonna be the bus and starting.
You gotta keep closing and keep opening the doors. And he goes.
He's going on the top.
Oh shit! Open the doors! Open it! He was about to kill me.
Smugglers in the bus! Doors engaged.
Oh, he's in.
Farewell. I hope you enjoy your journey with us. May I suggest you run?
Is he coming towards us, or is he? There he is. Where did you go?
Right here.
Jump in! And then stand over here. And then I just juke. Ow.
Yeah, go after him.
Go towards him and then you can lure him and then I lure him.
Nope. Nope. I'm just gonna let you die.
I'm inside you. I'm inside you.
Yeah, so go out. Oh shit.
That's what I mean. You're gonna stay here with little Miss Eyeball. What?
What the? What? What just killed me?
Where are you? Did he double swap you? Did he hug you?
I don't know what just happened.
Okay, you stay here, and then I'll go.
But I have to open the door.
No, you don't. You just put your turbine here.
It won't do that.
It will. Pick it up, though. Pick it up. Don't use it all. Trust me, it works.
No!
I'm definitely fast forwarding this.
I'm not. I'm keeping this like it is.
Right.
Yep. Keeping this like it is. Put some dubstep music into it so it's not like, you know, boring.
Hey, I'll see you
Bye.
in the lift.
Bye. Disappeared. The bus disappeared.
I can just about see your name tag. Gone. I think if he followed me and just followed me all the way, I'd be like, oh my God. I have to open the first door, then you place it down and I open the second door.
So I have to end the round?
No. Keep him alive and run this way, so then you have your bus pistol out, shooting the denizens while you're running this way, keeping him alive, and then you'll be at town.
Jump step.
I just
Wow, wow,
realised-
wow, wow, wow. What?
I just realised something. The door is 1,000, so you're gonna have to, you have to end the round.
Me? No, you ain't touching me.
I didn't think about that. But the round 2, we're gonna do it.
Yep.
Please
Well, we
second
can
you.
go to round 3 just because of the running zombies going round 4. So
Well, they start, walking a bit faster.
420, plays it.
10. 10.
Oh, whoops. Whoops.
I still don't have enough.
Whoops. Oh, I gotta turn on power anyways.
Oh,
Yeah, might as well.
work, damn you.
Do I place it down now or no? I'll wait.
In a little while. Come on. Come on, Mr. Zombies. One. I'm sure they're all near you. Hey, the
Yeah, we're gonna use the
bus.
bus pistol and the normal pistol.
Gonna place it down.
Now.
When you get the chance. Yeah, when you get the chance to.
I'm building the part to the
Power.
yeah. You know, I'm gonna go place it down.
No. Ain't no one allowed to touch Rushman.
Tell me when it's down.
Down now.
Do it to it.
It's down.
It's open. Because I heard. Yeah. It isn't cheating taking money out of the bank.
Yeah. Rushman don't need no booker in the field stuff.
So, do you want to run to town? Or are you going to get the bus?
Turning on the power.
This candle. Great.
Build Packer Bunch.
Yeah, I've done the top bit, but it says
What's that weird looking
the
Kenobi?
rest
It's in the same room, so
tables. I've got the last.
I forgot about the electric zombie.
Is he with you?
No, but I'm coming. I'm coming.
I'll see you in a little bit, guys. I'll be playing non-copyright music about now. Or fast forwarding. But 13 minutes in, and
Alright.
how far do you reckon you'd be? Wow. Wow.
I'm coming.
Be quick, be quick. I've got to put my gun in the thing. Oh, I've lost that. No.
I don't know if I can make it or not.
No, lost it. He's after you. Damn it. Damn it.
Oh, wait. Wait.
Coming right after you.
Wait. Don't die on me. Don't die on me. Shit.
Don't die. I've got like 10 seconds left.
I'm right here. I was right there.
Damn it. You can kill him.
Then it'll be running
Damn
zombies.
it. I don't care. Just kill him.
Oh, okay. I got max ammo.
starting pistol. Just go low.
This is a real challenge too,
Yeah, I know.
because the bus has to come.
I think that. Wow.
It is disgusting. I am extremely thankful. Or at least I will connect that emotion to your face.
Oh, bus is here.
Wow. Gosh, behind you.
We're just getting the Instagram.
Stay down here, I need to get ammo.
Yeah, go, 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 go. Get it.
I just need to get the bus pistol.
Yeah. Alright, tell me when you get down here, because then I have to go get a jug. But I have to open the door.
God. Stay around here for another round. Don't come in. I have no money in the bank now. I'm in the same boat as you.
Oh, Lecture Tommy's here.
Is he?
Yeah, we can. I'm a pro knifer at him. I knifed him with the. He just 5 knives, so you know. That scared me actually. When it just went kaboom. I pack punch.
You pack a punch.
And I did it legit.
Stewie, you got some bullets for the old man?
Yeah, I just like to try like a pro.
It's time.
On the other maps you can't pack punch this twice, but on this map you can. There he is. Oh, I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead.
Don't die. I got that max ammo with my pistol. I'm so glad.
I got him. He's dead. He's dead.
Technically we can leave after a bit because we're only going to do these 2 pistols. Do you want to leave now? Or...
Yeah, because I pack punched my weapon, so I'm good. That's really loud. You didn't have to go bump bump. I was leaving. Oh, I didn't know it was going.
Should we go or not?
I'll stay. I'm staying.
We'll both stay because I need jobs anyway.
Yeah, that's what I was getting. Well, pack punch closed, so we can't. The only way we can get ammo is the bus. We need the garble knuckles too. We can get the garble knuckles or the Bowie knife.
Yeah, it's closed. I just want silver.
Ow.
So I guess you're red.
I've been red twice because of electric zombie, but I haven't been out normal zombies.
I've been down 3 times. How pro I am.
Get that.
Wait, if it's last die, we might as well save it for next round.
No, it's not. Get it. Get it! Oh my god.
Wow.
We kept knifing the same zombie. Well, that was the video for today, guys. See you next time. And peace.